Air is colorless and enables us to see everything through it as it is. It has no smell and taste. Air occupies space. To understand this, take a pitcher and dip straight into the water. See, no water enters into the pitcher. Now tilt the pitcher slightly. See, the air bubbles are coming out of the pitcher and water starts entering into it. So you can see that the pitcher is not empty. Air that was present in the pitcher is coming out. This shows that air occupies space. Inflate an air pillow. What do you see? It grows in size. This shows that air occupies space and has no definite shape. Air has weight as well. Put the air-filled ball on one side of a balance and a similar empty and squeezed ball on the other side. You can see the pan with squeezed ball goes up, indicating that it is lighter than the air-filled one. Now take two empty test tubes and place a balloon over the mouth of each bottle. Put one test tube in a pan of hot water and the other one in a pan with ice. Observe carefully. The balloon on the test tube in hot water begins to inflate. This is because the hot water heats the air inside test tube and the ice cools the air in the other. When air gets warm, it expands and rises, which inflates the balloon. On the other hand, cool air contracts, causing the other balloon to shrink. This shows that air exerts pressure. Take a cylinder fitted with piston. Press the piston inward. You can compress inside the cylinder, so air can be compressed.